we're back again with another Petit Vour Plus unboxing. Excuse my disheveledness and no makeup. I am not feeling well. I'm sick today. So you get raw, tired, sick girl. But you guys know how this goes. We're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, what was mid. And then we're going to unbox this month's box. And then we're going to talk pricing. So let's get to it. Got my little notebook here. So last month we got the another of the Belle Pierre primer. It was good. Obviously, I've been using it a lot. We got the vanilla buttercream hand cream, which was good. The scent was good. Not the best vanilla smell. I think it was fine. It worked well. The lipstick was good, but it didn't last very long. So keep that in mind. It's a reapplier. The body butter was good. For $5, it was good, but it was greasy. So it is not something that I would use all the time. It's something I would use more for like the winter months, just to get a little like really good coating on. To like, not a daily, but like maybe once a week. The face serum was fine. I didn't have any problems with it. I didn't notice anything amazing. So it was good. It was like Upcircle, I think is what it was called. It was like a coffee-y serum. It was good. It was fine. Overall, I wasn't displeased with the box, but there was nothing that wowed me. Like I said, I did like mostly everything, but it's not like, oh my god, I want to buy these products again, except for the Belle Pierre primer, of course. I don't need to buy it because I have so many. So, without further ado, let's take it down and unbox this box. All right, happy mail day, as per usual. Exclusive perks, rewards, da-da-da. Oh, I like the orange straight out the gate. This is Belle Pierre Precious 24 karat gold brightening vitamin C booster. That's interesting. We tried so many Belle Pierre products this year, so I'm interested in giving it a try. Okay, not to be worn in direct sunlight. Very important. And we have oh, it's that mascara again from I Done Minerals. I thought it was good. It's very unique as far as mascaras go. It's not as good as the Talk Beauty in my opinion, but what's really unique about these is how it like coats the eyelash shaft itself, and when I would cleanse, it kind of comes off like a tube, which is fascinating to me. So I did not dislike this. Obviously, I will be using it. We have 100% pure hair detangler. Oh, that's interesting. I use a lot of hair detangler for my daughter. But I use stuff in my hair, but usually not detangler, but I will give this a try. I usually use like a color protectant or like a bond restoring hair thing because I color my hair a lot. And then, what is this little thing in here? Another 100% pure product. I've been liking 100% pure as well. Coffee bean caffeine eye cream. Oh no, it's an eye cream, guys. You know how I feel. I should probably show you the detangler's ingredients too. This is a lot of ingredients. Holy. So many. It doesn't give you directions, but I'm like, it's an eye cream. I think I can. And to show the ingredients here. Okay. All right. And last but not least, it looks like we have a face mask. Oh my gosh, from 100% pure again. I can barely get this out. Ugh. And it is a coffee caffeine recovery hydrogel mask. They're really pushing my coffee stuff lately. Interesting.
interesting.
All right, so that was some interesting looking products in this month's box. By the way, it is a late video. Like I said, I've been sick and I didn't get my Petit Vour box until December 1st. So unfortunate, I know. It's very frustrating, but we will press on. Yes, that's the word I'm looking for. So pricing, the Belle Pierre 24 karat gold vitamin C booster, $48. That's the big ticket item in this box. That's expensive. Hopefully it's good. The Iden Minerals mascara was $23. The sheet mask was $8. The coffee eye cream is $19, and the hair detangler was $18, which takes this box to a grand total of $116, guys. That's a lot. That's a big ticket box. Let's just hope it is as good as the price. So that does it for this video, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start recording bean cuts as well, because I like to do these together at the same time. It makes my life easier because I'm so busy. But I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you soon. Bye!